This car is not built to impress everyone. It is built for the few who define luxury itself. This is the Rolls-Royce Phantom, a symbol of power, elegance, and absolute perfection. Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just a car. It's a moving piece of art handcrafted for those who believe silence, comfort, and presence matter more than speed. From the outside, the Phantom looks commanding and timeless. Its massive front grille, known as the Pantheon Grille, instantly tells the world who's arriving. The spirit of ecstasy proudly stands at the front, crafted with precision and elegance. Every line of this car is designed to feel smooth and effortless. The doors open in a coach style, making entry and exit feel royal and exclusive. Even the paint can take up to 7 layers and several weeks to complete, giving the Phantom its signature deep shine. Inside the Rolls-Royce Phantom, luxury reaches a level few cars can match. The cabin is unbelievably quiet, thanks to over 130 kilograms of sound insulation. At highway speeds, you barely hear the outside world. The seats feel like first-class airline lounges, wrapped in the finest leather, natural wood, and metal trims. One of the most iconic features is the Starlight headliner, with thousands of hand-placed fiber optic lights, creating the feeling of a private night sky. At the heart of the Phantom lies a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine. It produces effortless power. But this car isn't about speed. It's about what Rolls-Royce calls loftability, a smooth, floating driving experience. The transmission uses satellite navigation data, meaning the car knows the road ahead and selects the perfect gear before you even need it. Driving the Phantom feels calm, confident, and completely stress-free. Technology in the Phantom is subtle yet advanced. A large digital display sits behind glass, known as the gallery, where owners can display custom artwork instead of traditional screens. Everything feels personal, exclusive, and tailored. In the United States, the Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at around $500,000, and with customization, the price can easily exceed $700,000. This car is made for CEOs, celebrities, and world leaders. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is not about competition. It exists in its own class. It's not just transportation. It's a statement of success, legacy, and timeless luxury. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Rolls-Royce Phantom, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more luxury car content, and let us know which ultra-luxury car you'd like to see next.